How to create text replacement shortcut in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down and here you can see the option keyboard. Now click on keyboard and then click on text replacement. Now click on add button and here you can write a shortcut like call sep and write here phrase like call me later and then click on save. Now go back and again add call accept and call me later and then click on save. After that, go back to your home screen and open your keyboard and then right here call accept and here you can see the shortcut on your keyboard call me later. So this is the way to create add the text replacement shortcut in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.